Hi, I'm Sara Wojda, Diagnostics and Life Sciences Analyst for Gabelli Funds. Over the course of the coronavirus outbreak, several diagnostics companies have come to the forefront. They have developed tests, submitted them for emergency use authorization, and tested over 400,000 patients in the United States. Manufacturing will increase at a significant rate, while labs will continue to combat large backlogs. This is just the beginning of a massive wave of testing, which will help treat patients sooner and provide more information on the spread of the virus. General test companies manufacture the PCR test for SARS-CoV-2. The goal of these companies is to gain emergency use authorization from the FDA to be able to run all patient samples. With a turnaround time of 3 to 4 hours, a system can complete 6 to 8 runs at maximum capacity. Roche and Thermo Fisher lead the way, manufacturing between 2 to 5 million tests per week. Roche claims to be able to run 25,000 tests per week, while Thermo Fisher has a significantly larger installed base of 3,000 systems. We expect these numbers to grow as more systems are placed and capacity increases. Other companies include Abbott, manufacturing 1 million tests per week, and Hologic, running 8,000 tests per week. Reference labs, including Quest and LabCorp, are processing tests carried out by physicians, makeshift centers such as drive-thrus, and health centers. Combined, these companies can run 300,000 tests per week. Their turnaround time for results are longer at 4 to 5 days, as it takes time for the sample to be shipped, sorted, prepped by the lab, and processed. Although runtime takes the typical 3 to 4 hours, there has been a backlog to get to this point, which will hopefully be improved in the coming days. Then there are the rapid tests, which have created the most noise in the past week. Most recently, and notably, is Abbott's test that can be completed in 5 minutes for a positive result and 13 minutes for a negative result. Behind them is Cepheid's Express test that can be run in 45 minutes. Quidel is working on a rapid test that can be run on its Sophia machine and is estimated to be launched in October. These tests can be run on a smaller desktop system and are a significant advancement in COVID-19 testing. And finally is the serology test, which detects antibodies against the virus, such as IgM, IgG, and IgT, determining who has been exposed to the virus and who has recovered. Henry Schein just announced it will be distributing the standard Q rapid test made by South Korea's SD Biosensor. This 15-minute test does not require a system and only needs blood from a pinprick. Schein expects to significantly increase its availability from the several 100,000 tests that are available today. Quidel is also working on a rapid serology test that can be used on its Sophia platform with a launch date to be announced. Clearly, significant advancements have been made in regards to testing for coronavirus. We expect to see testing volume ramp and backlog to improve as labs adjust their capacity and increase manufacturing. Additional companies will gain emergency use authorization, approval for new tests, improving patients' lives, and providing more information about the coronavirus pandemic. Thank you for your time, and I hope you stay healthy.